already finished work?
Yeah, so finish work already.
But how you feel now?
I'm not good feel.
What, fever or what?
Not fever.
Huh? You,
I
but
don't
what?
know.
Maybe because aircon in the work.
It's not aircon.
Not air.
Same like pumping before
Uh,
my neck.
but why already so many decoration for Christmas? In, so only October and already in the Philippines area. From start from October so many.
September.
From September, yes.
We start already decorate the store or in the house. They decorate already.
Everywhere, yes, I
Yes,
know.
everywhere.
Because many subscribers maybe don't know why already so many decoration, Christmas decoration.
Advance here in Philippines.
What?
Advance.
In advance, yes. Okay, let's go to home. Thank you. But what you waiting, Shaira?
Only.
You wanted money, want?
Yes, I just keep only.
You know, I already give money to
already?
security. No, to security guard because he helped me. No, up to you. You can give to another.
You give already? To him?
Not to him, another. You can give to all people money. It's okay. I already give coins for security guard because he helped to park. He good. Always help. If help, I always give also money. I always put here coins.
Better you give that coins to me.
No, better you give me coins and put here inside coins.
I have so many coins here.
Okay, let's go to home. McDonald's.